Hello, this is Kirsty Whispers ASMR. I'm Kirsty. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make this very cute Halloween unicorn pumpkin, okay? So this is a very easy DIY project. You can even do this with the kids if you want. Okay, let's get started. So I have a Halloween unicorn pumpkin here. And you're going to need some cardboard and some orange cardboard or paper, some black duct tape, some glitter washi tape, scissors, paper glue, some ribbon, black foam padding, a pen, and a black permanent marker. So first I'm going to sketch the pumpkin shape on the cardboard. So I'm sketching a unicorn pumpkin with ears and the horn. Then I'm cutting the pumpkin out of the cardboard. Here we have the pumpkin shape. Then I'm going to draw the same shape on the orange cardboard, tracing along the cardboard unicorn. I'm cutting the unicorn pumpkin out of the orange cardboard as well. Okay, now we have two identical unicorn pumpkin shapes. And then I'm going to glue them together with the paper glue. attaching the there. To smooth it out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm cutting a witch hat for the unicorn out of the black foam padding. This is optional, of course. It's a little tall, so I'm cutting it a little shorter. There. Just trying what it looks like. And now I tie the ribbon to the hat as a decoration, because this is optional as well. You can decorate the hat with anything you want, maybe a button or anything you have available. There. Okay, so now we have the hat for the unicorn. I just trim a little bit along the edges of the unicorn pumpkin. And then I'm going to use the black duct tape of duct tape. So I cut a little triangle out of the duct tape and I'm using it as the inner parts of the unicorn's ears. So got two little triangles out of the duct tape for that, and then going to cut some more duct tape and using it to cover the unicorn's horn. There, like that. Just wrap it around the horn. And then I'm using the glitter washi tape to decorate the horn. Some cute stripes with the washi tape, glitter stripes. Okay, there, just wrap it around the horn. Okay, now the unicorn's horn is ready. Attach a little piece of duct tape on the brim. reverse side to make sure the washi tape stays in place. Okay, like this. Then I'm drawing the unicorn's eyes with the black permanent marker. Of course, you can sketch them first with a pencil if you want. So I'm making these sleepy eyes for the unicorn with eyelashes. Actually, I'm gonna draw the other eye upside down, so it looks like the unicorn is winking. You can do sleepy eyes or smiley eyes, whatever you like. Okay. And now the unicorn has eyes. And then I'm just using an orange marker to decorate the unicorn a little bit more. Make it look a little more like a natural pumpkin, but this is optional, of course. And then I'm attaching the witch hat to the unicorn with the paper glue. So just spread some glue on the hat and the pumpkin. And then I attach it on the unicorn's head. Then I'm just using this little bit of yarn to make a loop for hanging the unicorn on the reverse. So I attached the loop on the reverse side with duct tape. But actually my loop didn't last very well, so you can also use like double-sided tape for putting the unicorn, for attaching the unicorn on the wall. It might last a little better than this loop. Okay, so I just tie it into a loop and might last a little better if you put some glue there as well. Yeah. Alright, so now it has a hanging loop, so you can put it on the wall, hang it on the wall. Unicorn pumpkin is ready. So it's very cute, isn't it? Yeah, I think it's very cute. It makes a lovely Halloween decoration for your home. So I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, yeah, thank you you so much for watching. Yeah, and happy Halloween.